Hi, I'm Jessie with Lalilo, and today I'm going to talk to you all about the lesson tiles and the error analysis page that's connected to them. So on your dashboard, you'll see all of these little boxes next to each student's name, and these all correspond to a different lesson, and we call them tiles. The tiles are color-coded to help you to understand what's going on with your student's level of proficiency on each lesson. So the green green tiles mean that the student was doing a really great job and they earned 80% mastery or above on that lesson. The orange tiles mean that they were struggling a little bit, but they achieved 60% to 80% on that particular lesson. And then the red ones mean that the student really was struggling and they were below 60% mastery on those lessons. Just note also the gray tiles mean that those are lessons that the student hasn't done. So the completely solid gray tiles mean that they are going to be doing them in the future, and the striped gray tiles means that those lessons were validated through the placement test and the student is going to skip them. There's also a quick little key up here for you in case you forget. The boxes that have the blue outline, that means that that lesson was assigned by the teacher. And if you see a little white triangle at the bottom, that means that that's a lesson that's currently open right now and the student is working on it. So when you click on a lesson, of course, if you hover, you can see exactly what lesson it was. So this one was the CVCE lesson. But if I click on it, especially on any of these that are yellow or red, it'll give you some more information about what was going on when the student was actually completing that lesson. So here is our error analysis page. And this page is going to give me a little bit of information about what the student was asked to do and then what they actually did. So this is going to show me the correct answer for that particular question and then the answer that my student gave. And so as I look through here, I can see, that this student is just dropping that silent E. So now I know I want to put him in a group to reteach this skill. You can also quickly skip to another student here from this drop-down menu or to a different lesson here if you choose. That way you can quickly and easily see all the different things that your students are working on.